Welcome to a mindfulness exercise based on pleasure. For this meditation, you'll need a raisin. This meditation will help you to direct your attention to something external. It's also a very effective practice to relate to food in a healthy way. Hold a raisin in the palm of your hand. Put all your attention on it for the next few minutes. Observe the raisin carefully, as if you'd never seen anything like it. Give all your attention to observing it. Hold it with the other hand and observe its qualities. You could even imagine that you just arrived from another planet and that your mission was to observe this object in as much detail as possible, as if you had to inform the inhabitants of your planet of all its properties. Is there something in particular that catches your attention? Feel its texture between the fingers. Appreciate its color and its surfaces, as well as its unique shape. While you're doing this, observe if any thoughts come other than the exercise. Also, just notice those thoughts or feelings, and in the best way you can, refocus your attention on exploring the raisin. Now, place the raisin under your nose and inhale, noting if it has any smell. You could even take it to your ear and squeeze it a little to check if it sounds like anything. Now take another look at it. Slowly bring it close to your lips. Notice the movement of your arm, your hand positioning itself properly, and then gently place it on your lips, perceiving how you feel it there. Keep it there for a moment, aware of your sensations and any reactions you have. There may be anticipation in the mouth, beginning to salivate. Place the raisin on the tongue and keep it there to perceive how you feel it in your mouth. Its surface, its texture, even the temperature. Now just take a bite and stop. Note how the flavors are released. Observe if its texture has changed. Maybe the object has now become two objects. Chew the raisin slowly, noticing its real flavor and the changes in its texture. You may also notice how the tongue and jaw work together to place the raisin between the teeth. How the tongue knows exactly where to put it while you chew. When you feel that you're ready to swallow it, observe your tendency to gobble it down. Maybe you could stop yourself before swallowing it to observe that tendency. Then, while you swallow the raisin, feel it as best you can while it goes down your throat to your stomach. Continue breathing deeply, concentrating your attention on the sensations in your mouth